In today's guide, I wanted to talk a little bit more about Codebook doors. Now, if you've watched the other video, you'll know how to add doors, how to link doors on batch, etc. But we didn't really cover entering door information and what comes together to create a door inside of Codebook. So we're going to start at the simplest level. We're in the room editor, and we can see that we're on the doors tab, and we can see that we've actually created a door to go in this room. At the moment, we expect no template. We can actually enter this information manually. So we can add notes, we can add the door number, and we can add other basic information. Now we can see that there are a number of values in here that are grayed out, such as door type, leaf height, leaf width, side panel width, as well as some other calculated fields. So a lot of this information can be entered manually, but there are two key types of data which cannot be. We can see that we have door type and we have frame type. Now both door type and frame type are controlled from within the lookups editor. So we're going to go to build and lookups. So we've selected our category, door attributes. As you can see now we've got a number of door types. Now the door types contain the leaf width information as well as the vision panel information and side panel width information. So if we wanted to add a new door type that's a different dimension, we'd go into the lookups and enter our basic information, and we can specify the sizes. We can also change the image or remove the image. We can do exactly the same with the frame finish and the frame detail. If we move on to frame type, you can see that we have the other option now to add a frame type description, the frame size, as well as frame detail information. So if I close this now and go to my door type, you can see the new one I've created. If I click save, you can populate the value of the leaf width and leaf height. If I enter the frame information, you can see the options here, and that again will populate the calculated opening sizes. So we can make the changes directly in the room editor and create a door without ever touching the templates, but we need to have a door type set up as well as a frame information set up. Now if I go back into my templates editor, I can add a new template, and I can specify the information for door type and frame type as part of this template, and it will fill in this information automatically. I can then save this template and apply that to a room. But it's important to remember that key information such as frame type are actually controlled from within the lookups editor rather than from within the template itself. That concludes this tutorial. If you have any questions, please contact support@codebookinternational.com. Thank you.